this is number 1, A and B, and number 2, A and B. Okay, number 3 and number 4 right there, A and B. And slope is another word name for rate of change, and we've been doing that the whole time. And they give it the letter M. That's very, very important. M, we use that all the time. It describes the direction and steepness of a line. Okay, so we use the word slope all the time now. Then this is number 5A. You're finding the rate of change and y-intercept. Oh my gosh. A y-intercept, a b here. B is the y-intercept, b. It should be b, right? A linear equation in slope-intercept form. Okay. Okay, right, the independent and dependent variable, we're going to do that first. And all of these, independent is where the x, the meaning for x. So independent, we're going to do independent. Is time in seconds. And dependent is height in feet, what y means. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So again, the independent is for this one is x, the people, how many people, independent. And the dependent is cost in dollars, which is the y. Okay, same thing for the table. The independent is distance in yards. That's it. I mean time in seconds. That's the x. Okay, independent is time in seconds. And the dependent is distance in yards. Okay, so same thing here. The independent is, let's see, x, time in hours. And the dependent is the candle inches. Candle in inches. Okay, and then we'll go do the other ones. Okay. All right, that's 5A and B. C, finding slope. And you know how to find slope. Slope is letter M. M is equal to, that's the slope, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so we pick 2 points. I'm going to pick 0 and 100. 0, 0 is 0 seconds. 0 seconds. 100 is 100 feet. And I'm going to choose 1 and 80. 1 second, 80 feet. Okay, so to find slope, you do y, 180 feet, 80 feet minus 100 feet. Those are your y's. y2 minus y1. over your x's is x2. x2 is 1 second minus 0 second. That gets you negative 20 feet, 1 second. So your slope is, the slope is negative 20. And it means down 20 feet because it's negative, down 20 feet every 1 second. The y-intercept, this is at 0, 100. The y-intercept is 100. Means 0 seconds, 100 feet. Okay, slope intercept. So you write the slope, you use the slope here of 20 and the y-intercept of 100. So you copy y equals to mx plus b. Okay, you copy the slope. Y equals to negative 20. The slope is negative 20. Bring down the x plus b. B is 100. Right there. Okay. Okay, finding the slope, just choose 2 points. I'll choose 0 and 800 here. And 200, or I'll just choose instead of that one. 0 people, $800. I'm going to choose 100 right here. If this is 200, this is 100. 100 people, $1,600. Okay, to find slope, slope y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Slope is m over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So 100, this is 1,600, and this is 800. So this is the second one, y sub 2, so $1,600 minus $800 is, that's $800. 100 minus 0 people over 100 people. So that can reduce to $8 for one person. Slope is 8, which means $8 for one person. The y-intercept always has 0. Is 0, 800. Notice the 0 means 0 people, $800. The equation in slope-intercept form, we want y equals mx plus b. We want y equals to the m and the x. M in this case is 8. The slope is 8. B is this other number, 800. Okay, the slope. Okay, and we're going to choose those two, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Slope, remember, is the y's for 4 yards, 0 yards, over 3, this is time in seconds, and 0 seconds. 4 yards every 3 seconds. So slope is 4 over 3, which means 4 yards every 3 seconds. Okay, now slope-intercept form. Okay, formula is y equals mx plus b. Copy the y, copy the x. M represents slope, so you put 4 over 3 for m. And b is the y-intercept, which is 0, 0, or just 0. This one there. Okay. Slope, again, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is the slope formula, m. So we're going to use these two right there. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Y-intercept starts with 0. Okay. You got y2 is 9 minus 12. They're inches. 9 inches minus 12 inches over hours. 2 minus 0, 2 hours. Okay, it's 3 over 2, 3 inches in 2 hours. Burning the candle. So the candle is burning, this is burning candle, right? Slope is 3 over 2, negative. Don't forget this is 9 minus 12 is a negative, goodness. It's negative 3 over 2, so the candle, and it means it is burning 3 inches every hour, every 1 hour, whichever way. Okay, the y-intercept starts with 0 is 0, 12. So you're going to use this number and this slope to write an equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals to negative 3 x over 2 plus 12. And then these you solve. Okay, additive inverse first. So 9 minus plus and 6x plus 9. Combine these that are alike. You get 18. Eighteen equals to 9, no solution. Okay, b minus 4x add 10 divide by 4, x is 1/4, one solution. Okay, and then combine these together. additive inverse. 14 plus negative 5x minus 14 divided by negative 5 one solution. Okay, multiply all these by 10. Cross cancel, that gives you 2. 2 times 2 is 4g minus 80. 7, add 80. Um, 21 remainder 3, right? 87 divided by 4, 2, 8, 4 remainder 3. Remainder 3 over 4. One solution. Okay, that's how you do those. Hopefully that helps. Okay.